Hey, welcome back. We're still looking at for loops. We're up to question 3. And we are writing a program which will allow the user to first input a number, last number, and step size, and then print out all of the numbers from first to last with the proper step size. Okay, how did we do this last time? Well, we used the range function, which is built into Python. It's a function that exists in Python. And we used a for loop. So don't forget, the range function makes a list. The for loop does something with each thing in that list. Okay. Okay, but we want the user now to have control of that. Oops, go away, console. Okay, so we need some integer inputs. So let's go start equals an integer input. What is the start number? Let's take that. Oops. Control C is what I meant to do. Let's go stop equals an integer input. What is the final number? And then let's go step. What is the, let's just go, what is the step? Cool. Start, what is the start number? What is the final number? What is the step? And then we need to use the range function to make a list, and we're using the for loop to loop over that list, to do something with each item in that list. So for I, for index, in range what? In range start, stop, step. So we've used start, stop, step in the same place in the range function as it is in our in the reference. Range, start, stop, step. That's what the reference tells. Okay, we're back. A little bit of technical difficulties here, but we're back with it. We had just gotten ourselves up to the point where we had 3 inputs from the user: a start number, a stop number, and a step number. They're all integers, and we're just about to start making our loop. Okay, so for I in range, start, stop, step, exactly like the reference tells us to do. We can come back in here. Don't forget that colon. God knows I will eventually. And then we want to print I. That should do it. Let's give it a shot. Whoa, bring this over here. Don't worry, our code is going to look a bit messed up for a moment. What is the start number? Start number is going to be 4. I'm just making some stuff up. What is the final number? Final number is going to be 25. And the step is going to be 7. 4, 11, 18. That seems right. That's it. You might want to tidy it up a little bit because this is a particular bugbear of mine. I believe you can also go /n that way around. Yes, /n can be quite nice as well. This is not something we've done yet. /n means new line, and Python won't print that out. So take a look at this. What is the start number? See how my little cursor is now on a new line there? Ah, so much nicer. What is the start number? Start number is going to be 5. What is the final number? It's going to be 99. And my step is going to be 12. Boom. Excellent. I now have a custom range printing function. Cool. That is question 3 done.